The Vineyards at Lake Wylie is a very unique community. 15 home sites, just maybe 15 minutes from uptown Charlotte, and yet it's all waterfront properties. And they're an easy walk to the water, large home sites, dockable lots. It's going to be just a phenomenal community. We're offering 10 different floor plans. The Arcadia starts at about 2,000 square feet. We have a plan like the Covington, a more generous size plan with 3,400 square feet and 4 bedrooms, all the way up to our Devonshire plan, which is our grandest plan and has been the most popular so far in that community. It starts out at over 4,100 square feet with 4 bedrooms, and we're doing the Manor Elevation, which is a very grand looking home. It's got the huge 2-story family room with just a big wall of windows. The kitchen and informal dining open up to that, and the island is 7 feet long. It's just a very impressive home with a 2-story stone fireplace, a coffered ceiling in the family room. It's really going to look fantastic. The Vineyards at Lake Wylie offers buyers looking for waterfront living a unique opportunity to be close to town on a wonderful home site with a custom home in a beautiful community.